Disruptive innovations are threatening established businesses. Today, there are multiple companies that have grown from startups to $1 billion in less than 10 years. Digital companies with less than 25 years of experience are snapping at the heels of 100-year-old companies and in some cases have eclipsed them. These businesses have all demonstrated a pattern. Low barrier to entry. Start with a few services and keep adding more. Release business ideas through continuous market validation with POC. Prototype, pilot, production cycle. Start small and have the ability to scale unlimited. Meet security compliance requirements at ISO and CIS standards with ease. The realization has catalyzed enterprises into action. The need for business agility is recognized as essential to remain relevant in this changed business environment. Modern application architecture is a response to the business need for agility. The successful pattern emerging from these enterprises is addressing the 10% of systems requirements that have not been addressed so far and are strategic business ideas of the leadership. Such ideas and needs do not have a ready product in the market. A custom development approach taken in the past has the limitation of scalability and integration and eventually dies without realizing its full potential. Then scale up the implementation to address the previously developed departmental applications that have become a technical debt. This process allows the organization to have a fully integrated system, breaking down silos and providing the ability to leverage the power of the enterprise by putting their best minds together. The third stage is to eliminate the customization done on the ERP that prevents easy upgrades and whenever they release a version or a subversion with new features and services. A loose coupling by moving the customization to the microservices architecture of a modern application. These upgrades can be handled better. One of our customers had a unique requirement that cannot be achieved through traditional systems. The cost of a scalable, futuristic implementation would require a $1 million investment, considering the various products required, installation and commissioning on resilient hardware, with multiple environments for development, system integration testing, QA staging and production, the servers required to host it, and the data center with cooling and network connectivity required to host the servers, the security infrastructure, and services of configuring, etc. Our solution was to use managed services like Fargate, Lambda, S3 Aurora RDS, enable CloudFront CDN service for application distribution, adopt AWS DevOps tool to speed up the development and delivery process. Data was encrypted at rest using KMS. A single-page application was developed for a better user experience. Azure AD integration was done with AWS Cognito using SAML 2.0. External users are then managed in a Cognito user pool. The benefits were evident. Quick business value, a solution in a quarter pay-as-you-go, low costs with high scalability, high availability, unmatched reliability at 1/10 the cost, simplified and transparent process, code and pipeline ownership, compliant ISO standards, CIS and CSA security. AspireNXT's success was due to the fact that our cloud services are comprehensive to say the least. Be it cloud assessment. Migrating to the cloud is daunting. It is as hard as embarking on a space journey, leaving the comfort of terra firma and going to the unknown. The cloud journey with AspireNXT Cloud Services gives you the confidence and assurance to embark on it confidently with adequate check and balances and fallback safety nets. With a proven change management process of POC, pilot production approach, you get the confidence in an iterative manner, or design, or implementation, or support. AspireNXT's managed services too are on par with the best in the world, if not better. Whether it's DevOps, leveraging a managed service, companies get the best out of their development teams. The company's resources should be focused on delivering business value to their customers and leave the operations to a team that can take care of it for you. Or security, or continuous audit, or next-gen managed service. To share a bit more of AspireNXT's success stories in brief, a telco subsidiary in Malaysia with its presence in 7 countries had its entire IT infrastructure on the cloud. AspireNXT manages their entire AWS infrastructure, monitoring their systems that run their critical line of business application. In fact, they received periodic cost optimization recommendations that allowed them to retrench the savings into new applications. AspireNXT helped the company double the number of applications and servers in the first year on AWS with just 30% increase in costs. We provide consulting and solutions for continuous improvement in security. Another of our successes is a retail solutions company with 100 plus outlets in the region that wanted a cloud-based solution while retiring their legacy infrastructure. The POS systems and their back office systems are now managed centrally from AWS. Today, the systems exceed security requirements and in addition have resiliency with high availability and scalability. AspireNXT has provided a roadmap for backup to cloud and long-term storage for auditability and compliance. Moreover, we also handle the periodic load of distribution of updates with scaled-up performance on demand. AspireNXT. We work fast, smart, and in sync with our clients, helping them achieve more across digital transformation, cloud, and workplace transformation. AspireNXT. Serverless technologies, limitless possibilities.